Hello guys, my name is Chris and today I'm gonna show you a small tutorial how to use a proper gimbal for your phone. If you want to film cinematics, if you want to do some cool clips. So let's get started. So this is the gimbal, yeah, right? And we have a small attached tripod, which you if you want to do some videos on standing on the ground. So this pretty cool action. So now first of all I'm gonna teach you how to use in on a basic mode, which that's mean you want to use the gimbal without an app. So basically there exists an app for the gimbal, right? So we have the phone right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the beginning, right? So we have this small holder for your phone, so you don't need to struggle to put it on because it's so easy. There you go. Now you just push down a little bit to be on safety mode. Yeah, make sure on the back is totally okay. And now then if you want to put it like this, yeah, now it's in free mode, because if you're gonna hold it like this, you have here on the bottom a small clip like which is hold this one, and if you are turning on, right, it's not gonna go on freeway. You see, it's blocked. So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, then we're gonna release it, then we're gonna turn it on again. Okay, right, now the gimbal is gonna stay like that because it's already set up on his position. But if I'm gonna double click on it, it should be okay. Yes, okay. But he's gonna stay only 30 seconds exactly in this position because the balance of the phone is not set up already. So you're gonna see after a while, a couple of seconds, he's gonna lay down on the left side. So we have to wait a little bit, because if you want to use it like this, you might be record a couple of seconds, then it's gonna fall down and you ask yourself why it's happened like that. Believe me, it happens to me, and all the time I'm asking myself why is so. I thought this gimbal is broken or something, and it's not. You have to balance it first. Look, there you go. And he's gonna do a small vibration, and then you're gonna see here we have 3 lights, blue, and 1 light is red. Basically all of them, they should be on blue lights. So we're gonna turn it off again, right? Then to balance your phone with the gimbal, we have here, I'm gonna take this off, we have here a small screw. You see this screw over here, yeah, it say here lock, yeah. Unscrew it, release it, then we push this handle much as it can, okay. Then you're gonna screw it back, that it says locked, because you're locking your okay, this small handler, just not shocking or whatever. So we're gonna put it back the phone, okay, safety mode. Then if you see the phone is not staying exactly in the first time, if you remember, the phone was staying like this. But if I'm gonna put it like this, you see now it's going this way, obviously because this small engine is heavy, of course. Now we're gonna turn it on again. There you go. So now it's perfectly standing, if you see. Yeah, maybe you don't figure if I move this one like this, maybe you figure, oh, it's gonna shake it or something. No, it's not shaking, believe me. It's not shaking because these small engines is perfectly standing with the phone. Right, now I'm gonna turn on my phone, and if you want to record, let's say, right, so if you're seeing, yeah, or anyway, do not bend like this, yeah, because he's have a calibrator set up by himself. So even if I move like this, so it's pretty cool actually. Anyway, you're not gonna figure out from the video how you can record with the gimbal, but you're gonna figure out when you're gonna record by yourself, so you're gonna see. So okay, now we have here two buttons, yeah. If I double click on this button, this phone is gonna turn it back with his back. There you go, yeah. So I'm gonna press it again, yeah. And then for example, if you want to move right and left, and your phone is staying like this, yeah, you have to hold this button, and if you hold it, it's gonna move with your hand smoothly, yeah. It's gonna move really smooth. But if you're gonna hold this down button, it's gonna move with your hand really straight. You see? Now it's a little bit more I don't know how, it's more faster. But if I'm gonna hold this one, oh no, sorry, it was the other way. If you hold this one, I'm sorry, I messed up. If you hold this up button, it's gonna move faster. But if you're gonna hold this down button, it's gonna move really smooth. Yeah, okay, there you go. So this is the basic use when you want to use gimbal. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go on Google Play, right? So if you see here, we have this ZY Play. So just type ZY and it's gonna show you that icon. Click on the first one. Oh bloody hell, sorry, I have to turn on my Wi-Fi. Sorry about that. We just have to go here. We try. There you go. So now we're gonna install it. It's pretty big actually. It's like 100 mega, but it's not actually too bad. Okay, so first of all, if you want to connect your phone with the gimbal, you have to turn on the Bluetooth, right? So let's not open it, right? Then we have to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so you see here, sorry about that, smooth 4071. Just click on that, pairing, and done. Okay, now second tip, we have to turn it off, this gimbal. Just turn it off. Okay, right, now we're gonna go on the app, yeah, and yes, just slide them and then press go. Allow, just remember you have to press allow all the time. Slide the picture right next, go, and now what you have to do is just turn it on again, your gimbal, yes, and then you have here this button, connect now. Activate location server, blah blah blah. Press OK. Okay, connect now, press allow. Now he's gonna pairing with the gimbal. And remember, these if you're gonna record from the app, you're gonna have different folder. It's not gonna be the basic folder. Which one? Okay, right now what we're gonna have to do is like close it again. We're gonna close the app and let's turn it on again. What the heck is this? Oh, connect now. Now I get it, because this one is not. Jesus Christ, I'm so freaking stupid. Oh, there it goes, move 4. Jesus Christ. Now this should work. Oh, there you go. Finally. Jesus Christ. Okay, now enter now, connection, voice, enter now. There you go. Hello. Hello. And now we are connected to the gimbal. So we have here Bluetooth, your battery, your Wi-Fi settings, everything, HDR if you want to change settings. So let's swap it. I remember I'm sure to have some settings over here. Why do this? Oh, there you go. So where is the anyway? So obviously here from the bottom you can do photo. Okay, you can, this middle one you can record. Yeah, let's stop recording. And then menu, yeah, just press menu over here. Then for example, let's do some hyperlapse. Yeah, so let's go to the camera. You can do panoramic pictures, 3 or 3 panel, I don't know what's that exactly, I mean like kind of panoramic photo, slow motion, time lapse. I mean time lapse is a normal one, and motion time lapse. This one is the coolest thing I ever seen on this app. You can just click on this one, and then if you want to do like time lapse, you just turn off your phone like this, right? And then press this black icon, right? And then next step, you just stop it here and then press the second black icon. Then you just turn it back, and AFI pan axis lock, you just don't press anything, because I remember I shouldn't press nothing. Then I just press next, and here time interval, yeah, you just press, okay, yes, this one. Duration, you just put, let's put 1 minute, right? Then it's gonna say start, and I'm gonna show you, and automatically by himself he's gonna record from the left to the right side. So I'm gonna show you. I just like play with my hand on the video, time like 1 minute, right? Just show you guys how it's like you're doing some hyperlapse from the right side to the to left side, from left side to right side. Yeah, so I'm gonna play with my hand, and from the A to B it's gonna move like 1 minute. You can put like 5 minutes, because much time you're gonna put, he's gonna much slower. He's gonna move the gimbal by himself. Yeah, so I'm gonna playing like this, just in case not being boring if you want to watch this small time lapse. So okay, so it's gonna beep. There we go. So I'm gonna show you how it look like. So this is gonna be the time lapse. So it's just only 4 seconds. There you go. This is the hyperlapse I just made in 1 minute. Now you can see, guys, and let's go back to the menu. Right now, maybe you ask yourself, what is this kind of thing? It's for zooming, right? So you just go up, and he's gonna zoom. But this phone is a little bit shitty, so you're gonna lose your quality. But what you can do is, like, you can do a time lapse with zooming as well. So what you have to do is just press menu and press camera, hyperlapse. I'm gonna do again. So I just move this phone like this and press the black icon, and then I will come back over here with this tiny little bear, and then zooming out. I'm zooming out. Okay, I will zoom in out, and I will press the black icon as well. Then same thing, just go next, and let's put 30 seconds to be a little bit faster. So you will see now. It's gonna go in the, and you see it's moving, and this time the gimbal, he's gonna go from left side to right side, and in that time he just zooming out. It's really actually cool. This app, it's very cool. Right, now we just finished. Now let's see the results. Only 2 seconds. You see? I mean, you can, let's be honest, we can figure out how it's working here because I have small space. But I'd like to teach you guys how is exactly use this one. Okay, let's go back. And to be honest, I proper don't know how to use fully one, but I'd like to show you guys the proper basic tutorial. Okay, now we have you have a cool thing. You can you can record, you can charge your phone from the gimbal. So you have this little bit slot, you just put it here, and you can charge your phone from the gimbal, because the gimbal have a pretty big battery, so you might be able to to charge your phone. Okay, this one it's for menu. Okay, I mean, this one you just play with, like exactly analogic, like controller somehow. I don't know how can I say. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just press the like button, and if you like more, you can subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.